Hi everyone. I'm still doing my research on the Sacagawea coins that I discovered from a postal vending machine in California in early 2000. I discovered these as they were being introduced into circulation through vending machines, postal vending machines. In California, you normally receive only Denver mint marks. On the East Coast, you receive the Philadelphia or P mint marks. I've received a lot of great comments so far on my other videos, and on the color of the coins, how many people have, where they got them, which are great, and they've helped me to focus on one particular feature that this coin has that I've not really had many people focus on and comments, which I need your help to get answers to. One fellow said that maybe this was struck over a quarter, and that's what he explained a little bit about, that maybe mint mark or mark to the left of the P or west of the P. There's a mark, and I do show it in my other video, but maybe a little bit too fast. I did need more comments on that. I really need your help with this one. I'm going to cover 5 important and true facts that surround this coin, and then ask that you take a moment to hit the red subscribe button. You could do that now, and also share and send this link to everyone you can think of to help discover another one, another Sacagawea with any mark or image to the left of the mint mark. The more eyes that see this Sacagawea, the sooner another Sacagawea that has been minted using the same doctored hub or die, if that's the case, that the mint mark was covered up because it was the wrong one, and they replastered the hub and then used that hub, or the mint or the actual die was tampered with and put a mark in it and then patched up or something. But the more people that see this and look for a coin like this or similar, the sooner we can get to the bottom of it. I believe that this coin is a true error during mint testing or a haste to produce so many of these coins so fast with the new procedure in early 2000. Please help me find another that made it into circulation. Here's the facts. These cover a little bit of authenticity and the discovery of this coin. This odd looking coin with a prevalent P mint mark was discovered amongst 4,000 D mint marks. Mint mark coins, they were brassy in color and nice and golden, like the normal Sacagaweas. This turned up in California with the P mint mark early 2000, when only the D's were introduced to these machines. This was in one of those bags, which is highly unlikely to happen. It probably got stuck in the bottom of a bag because it was a test that they were putting experimental rinse on, or they found out that the mint mark was a problem, so they were going to melt these back down, and it got stuck in the bag and got away. There were a few other D coins that were errors too, that are really chocolate, and they look like errors that were in the same bag that came out with the shiny Ds too. Now, I showed this coin to a couple of renowned error dealers and collectors that both acknowledged that they could see something, and there was something to the left of the P mint mark, or west of the P mint mark. Fact number 3. This coin does not have a shiny brassy color of a normal Sacagawea golden dollar. Fact 4. This coin was discovered amongst some other very odd brownish colored D-mint mark Sacagaweas that may have also become stuck in the bottom of the same canvas bag that was headed for remelting or destruction. Fact 5. This Sacagawea dollar coin has now been certified. It was not certified when I did my first video. I was able to focus right in better on the D, so you might want, or the mint, whatever the mark is to the left of the P, and you might want to take a look at my other video. Also, the nice, beautiful greenish brown coin. That's what this one is. And the D is there. But you'll see it here. I'll show it to you in just a minute. So this coin now has been certified. And it's certified as a real coin, a real Sacagawea that's not been tampered with. And it was certified by one of the largest coin graders as a MS66 brilliant uncirculated. And for a brilliant uncirculated coin to end up from the East Coast to the West Coast in California with only D coins mainly. I think I have 2 other Ps that came out of that bag, but mainly with thousands and thousands of Ds is just incredible. It's almost impossible. But there it is, and I got it right out of that machine with the other ones. So please take a moment and hit the subscribe button, the red subscribe button. And also share the symbol, hit the share symbol, and copy and forward and paste the link to this YouTube to all your friends and anybody you can think of, so that we can see if we can discover any other one of these with something to the left of the P mint mark. Or even a D mint mark. If it's to the left of it, I would be very interested in seeing that. The more friends that see and share this coin, the sooner we can find another one that got away from the mint. Now I'm going to show you the D. Hopefully I can focus right in. It's harder getting through this encapsulated container to get it because I get glare and everything else on here. But right to the left of the P, you can see a mark. And it's shiny. It catches the light. And on the thumbnail, I took a nice straight shot flat on. And it looks like a bold D. That right there looks like a bold D. You turn it a little bit, and it catches a little glitter on the how it sticks up just a little bit. And there it is, right there to the left of the P. How that happened, I don't know. It took a long time looking to even see it there, but I surely could use your help because I think that there's more out there. I think that these were headed, they were an error, they were headed back to be remelted and reminted. So thank you guys. I surely appreciate it. Please hit the subscribe button so that I can keep you informed of what's found. And I will definitely do that. Thank you so much.